moving closer. This is what happened. The tree broke from the wind. It fell down on all these cars. The damage is crazy out here. The damage is crazy out here. No one can get in or out.
Hey man, fuck, I'm about to move my shit. Hey, who car is that? Oh shit. Hey, y'all think I can?
Oh man.
See this car?
Oh,
Yo.
yo.
You can't move my car.
Yeah, if you can get in, you probably can.
Who got a Virginia car?
Oh my goodness. This is the wreckage that we got. It's crazy out here. The rain is still coming down hard. I'm getting soaked. My man Stu gonna try and move his car. And we're out.